Welcome back to our YouTube tutorial series. In today's video, we'll show you how to join chat communities in Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open Facebook on your PC. Step 2. Next, click on the chat icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on the expand icon to open the chat window in full screen. Step 4. Once the chat window is expanded, click on the Communities tab. This will allow you to find various chat communities. Step 5. Finally, browse through the communities and click on the desired community to join it. And there you have it. You've successfully joined a chat community in Facebook using your PC. Now you can engage with like-minded people and enjoy meaningful conversations. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative tutorials. Thanks for watching.